Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan. I'm in Key Largo, Florida, and this is the perfect place to talk about how you know a condition-based maintenance task is technically the right thing to do and how often you should do it. A condition-based maintenance task means that on a scheduled basis, you're looking to see if you find a potential failure condition. And if you find that potential failure condition, then you take action. Let's talk about the details. This is the P2F interval, where the x-axis is age, and that can be considered in any number of units, like operating hours or miles, and the y-axis is the resistance to failure. So when we do condition-based maintenance tasks, we're looking for a potential failure condition. Now let's just take something really simple, and let's say we're talking about a V-belt. Well, we know that when a V-belt starts to wear, it'll show some signs of failure, like cracks or frays. And once that evidence is detectable, eventually the belt is going to break if we don't take action before that time. That interval is called the P2F interval. The point at which a potential failure condition is detectable to the point that failure occurs is called the P2F interval. So in the case of our V-belt, let's say that this is 6 months. Well, then we would have to visually inspect that belt for wear at intervals less than that P2F interval. In other words, at intervals less than 6 months to make sure that we don't miss the failure. So the key is to inspect at intervals less than the P2F interval so that you don't miss the failure. Here's what's really important to understand about condition-based maintenance. How often you do a CBM task has absolutely nothing to do with how often something fails. Rather, what matters is how quickly something fails once that potential failure condition is detectable. I'm Nancy Regan from Key Largo, Florida. Thank you for watching.